Hi, this is Tina Sprinkle from Pilates 1901, and I'm standing here with my special guest, Nikki Crawford from Your Peaceful Space. How did we meet?
We met at a networking event with Michelle Robbins.
That's right, in Brookside, right? That was our first thing.
Yes.
My ears immediately perked up when I heard what Nikki did for a living. She helps people declutter, and not just for a peaceful space, but for a peaceful
mind. Right, yes.
So I knew that she aligned with our goals at 1901, which is to practice all kinds of good health, not just physical, but mental. And so I asked her to come speak, and she's going to be speaking here at Saturday, October 20th at noon. And what are we going to be talking about?
We're going to be talking about how to let go of the clutter.
You mentioned something kind of crazy today, that for women, when they're in a cluttered space, what happens to them?
They can actually release cortisol.
Which is a stress hormone, which it makes you fat in the belly too, so we don't like that.
Right, and it's highly correlated with depression.
Yes, we don't need any more cortisol. So just by having a peaceful space, a clean space, a decluttered space, we can be healthier, just physically healthier. So come to our workshop on Saturday, October 20th at noon, and then we are going to be kicking off right after that, starting that next Monday, a 14-day clutter cleanse.
Yes, which we're super excited about.
We just put it together, and I don't know if I could even wait until October to do it. It's going to be something that's free, and we're going to be here to support you, both of us, every step of the way through social media, and it's going to be doable.
Absolutely.
Because one of the biggest excuses, right, for not getting the clutter out is just like you don't have time.
Don't have time, feel overwhelmed, don't know how to start. So we're going to help you figure out how to take that next easy, small step.
And hopefully after 2 weeks, you'll feel like, okay, this is something that I can do. So Nikki and I are here for you in this process, and we hope you'll show up on Saturday, October 20th for our decluttering workshop at 1901. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.